Hi everyone, and welcome back to Melody Crochet Nook. My name is Beth, and today we are going to go over a new stitch. So a new collaboration that I am a part of in the month of January is the Battle of the Stitches. And with that, this collaboration with Teresa at Critters Crochet, Heather at Strings and Things, they have been doing this since the beginning of this last year of 2024, and going through this book that's called 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter. I'm going to put a picture of it, of the book right here, as well as a link to it in Amazon in the description box. As of now, when I'm recording this, it is on sale for a little less than $18 US dollars. So I believe the original price is 22 or something like that. So I don't know if it's still on sale when this post goes up, but you can give it a try and see what you can see what kind of deal that you can get today. This stitch that we are going to go over is the wide half double crochet, which I'm excited about because a half double crochet happens to be one of my favorite stitches to use. Just, I don't know what it is. It's just the rhythm of the stitch that makes it go by really fast, and I'm super coordinated with it. So I'm excited about the stitch. So the first week I'm going to show you how to do the stitch. The second week, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the project that I am working on. And the third week is the final reveal of the project that I made. Here's the tutorial on how to do the wide half double crochet. Okay, so to get started with the tutorial, I am using this cotton, it's Comfy Cotton by Lion Brand, which they don't make anymore, but it's 50% cotton and 50% polyester. So I just have a bunch of this lying around. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick sample of the wide half double crochet, but I'm using this Swirls hook and it's a size 6.5, and the Comfy Cotton is a weight 3, but it acts more like a size weight 4. So it's like between a 3 and a 4, but the actual description does say 3. I'll do a chain of 15 to get started. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, we'll do 16. So one extra. Okay, so the first round, you just do a half double crochet in each, and I'm going to go ahead and work in the back bump of it to give it a cleaner look. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Working in these back loops is not my favorite thing to do. Sorry. Working in the back bumps of the chain is not my favorite thing to do. I would rather just do a border. My own personal opinion. I think it definitely looks better. But it is a lot more, it's a lot slower during the first part. But it does definitely give it a cleaner finish if you're not going to do a border especially. Looks like I skipped one there. Oh well. Make sure you don't skip any stitches. Okay, so now you can see my stitches here, all my half double crochets, and then we're going to chain and turn, and now we're going to do half double crochets in underneath the main chain, so in between the actual stitches, and this gives it the wide effect. So again, we're not going into this section right here, but instead we're going to go in between the stitches right here. So we'll just keep going in each of the stitches, or yeah, in between each of the stitches. And then towards the end, we will go ahead and go right in the chain area, so right in the very last section. And then we will chain one and turn. Okay, now we do the same thing here. So we go in between the stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and again we go in the chain section. And then you just keep working that up in whatever style you want. Okay, so time out and you can enjoy these pretty flowers as I explain what happened. So as I am editing this, I realized that I messed up on that tutorial, but don't worry, in 2 weeks I will be showing you exactly how I create what I am creating, and I will make sure that it's done properly. I had skipped a stitch and then I had actually crocheted 2 together, which is why I was 2 stitches short to begin with. So that was the tutorial for how to do the stitch. Now what I want you to do is let me know if you will be joining along in this battle of the stitches, which you are welcome to do. Yeah, let me know if this is something that you would want to join in, or if you're just welcome to join along with me as I create something from the stitch, and I will show you and take you along as I go. So thank you so much for joining me today, and we will see you next time. Okay, bye.